In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Throne account. I'm going to verify mine live on video and show you what you need to do. So first go to throne.com and log into your account, and you need to head over to your wishlist dashboard. Now from here, you can click on this share your public Throne page icon, and it will then open up this window where you can then go to verify your account. Now once you're in here, you can verify it in a couple of ways. So to verify that you own the linked social media account, you can go ahead and add it. So you can add either your Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, your OF or other, and you can request your account approval. So I'm going to open up my X profile and we will verify that. So let's follow the instructions. So we'll go to Twitter and we can go ahead and then add your Throne link to the bio. So we'll click add to Twitter and it then will take us to the bio. Now from here, we need to add our Throne link. This is just so they will be able to verify that you own the account. To get your Throne link, copy it from above here and then just add it in. Now this can take up to 10 minutes. Once you've added your link, you can then request account approval, and it's going to take between 5 and 10 minutes for that social media to get approved, and then you'll have your blue check mark once your page is approved. So that's how you do it. You can do it for any of these social medias. I hope that helped you out.